Hello everyone, welcome to Everyone AI channel. Today we are going to look at how to open a Facebook account using your phone. Now, one thing special about opening a Facebook account with the phone is that you have the option of using an email to open the account or a phone number. So you can either use an email or a phone number. So today I'm going to show us how to open an account using the phone. Subscribe to this channel, share this video with friends, invite friends to subscribe to the channels. Let's get started. Now, the first thing you do is go over to your mobile app. We are not using the browser, so we use the Facebook mobile app. Before you use the mobile app, make sure you log out of the account, your profile or your account. So once you log out of your profile, you scroll down, come down here, you're going to see create new account. Click on create new account. Select create new account. Now you put the name, your proposed name you want to use. Like me here, we are creating Ubre AI. After your name, you select your date of birth. Now Facebook policy has it that for you to be qualified to use Facebook, you must be 18 and above. So make sure your date of birth, you are up to 18 years before you can use Facebook. If you're not up to 18 years, your phone number or your email will be bad. You cannot create until you're up to 18. So go ahead and select your gender. That's male for me. Okay, so here is the beautiful part of that. So you have the phone number. If you want to use phone number to create, you input your phone number here. If you don't want to use phone number, you sign up with email. So now I'm going to use that option, sign up with email. So I input my email. The email I'm using is Ubre1 AI 2025. Put that, go to next. I'm asked to put my password. Proceed there. I don't want to save it, not now. Agree to the policy. Once you agree to the policy, you'll be sent a confirmation code to be sure that you are the one that has that email. So a confirmation code will be sent to that email. All you need to do is, if you have the email prompt on your notification prompt, it will pop up. But if you don't have it like my own, you have to go to where you have the Gmail and copy the code. So I head to my Gmail app, find the code, opening my app. The code has not arrived yet. I'll refresh my app. Okay, the code is here. So you have the code here. You go back to input it 43380. So once you input that, your Facebook account has been created. It's as simple as that. That's how to create a Facebook account using your phone. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, share this video with friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Now look at this. If you want to, you can know how to go about this. You can always skip. You can add the profile picture, another option will come up. Let's see it. To find close, access your contact. If you want your contacts to, if you want all your contact to get, you turn on that. But that's not now. Import your contacts. If you have friends you want to add, you can do that. Some friend suggestions, if you use your contact, some friend suggestions will appear here, so you can always add them. So that's that. That's a whole that. That's how to create Facebook accounts using the phone. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to share this video with friends. Don't forget to invite friends to subscribe to this channel. See you next video. If you have any question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you.